Gorging on the meaning of gorge. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the word gorge. It's a word with a couple of meanings, both as a noun and a verb, and by the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to use it in your conversations. Let's gorge ourselves on knowledge, shall we? The first way to understand gorge is as a noun. In this context, a gorge is a narrow valley between hills or mountains, typically with steep rocky walls and a stream running through it. Think of it like a smaller version of a canyon. It's a natural formation that you might come across if you're hiking or traveling through mountainous areas. Example: the river cut through the landscape, forming a breathtaking gorge. Now, the second way we use gorge is as a verb. When used as a verb, gorge means to eat a large amount greedily, to fill oneself with food. It's not just eating, it's indulging oneself to the point of being full or even overly full. It often implies that the eating was excessive or done in a rapid manner. Example: after fasting for a day, he gorged on pizzas and ice cream. Some phrases are closely associated with the word gorge. One such phrase is gorge oneself on something. This phrase means to eat a lot of something in an eager way. Another is gorge out, which implies the act of excessive eating. Examples: she gorged herself on chocolates. They went to the buffet and gorged out. So there you have it. Whether you're talking about a scenic valley or indulging in a food feast, the word gorge has got you covered. Remember, context is key. The next time you hear or read this word, pay attention to the surrounding words to decipher its meaning. We hope this video has enriched your vocabulary, and as always, happy learning!